Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So this is my first video, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can create a digital product, that is a planner. So we are going to see that how you can create it. So let's go to the Canva, and then after going to the Canva you're going to go to click create, and in the create you're going to choose your design size. Okay, so for the size we're going to opt for the custom size here, and we're going to put an 8.5 to 11 inch for the planner template. Okay, so we have just changed the settings of it, and you have been given some recommendations here as well. You can opt for that as well. And now we're going to create a new design now. So now we are going to create some new designs. We are going to divide our planner into 4 sections. Okay, so it would be easy if we draft it first. So let's see what we're going to add in a text box, and I'm going to show you that in what things we're going to divide our planner. So first would be your today's daily schedule, and then it would be your daily reminders, and then it would be your to-do list, and then we would add in a notes section as well. So these are the 4 things that we're going to add in the first page of the planner. So we have just made a draft. Now we're going to create our design. So here we are going to go to the notes, and we're going to type in the elements. We're going to type in notes. We want some notes like this, so we're going to use them, and we're going to just customize it according to our theme. So I'm going to create a green and leafy theme, so I'm going to just adjust the color of the lines. Okay, and then I'm going to add in a note sections for the reminders here, and I've already added a to-do list one, but I wanted a checklist one, so I opted for that. Then I'm going to add in a notes section. Okay, let's see if it fits. So we're going to see it later. And then I'm going to start adding in the schedule. For the schedule I'm using a rectangular box, and I'm going to customize the color first. So I'm going to change it into the green theme. So you're going to change the color, and you have to make it into a checklist, right? So we are going to add in the circle here, and after adding the circle we're going to duplicate it, and then we are going to simply add in a text. Okay, you can simply add in the text, and people can use that as it is, or you can just leave it blank. That's up to you. I'm going to add in the text here. I'm going to add in the time, because we're creating a schedule here. So I'm going to start my day from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So here I'm going to write that time, and you can just leave it as it is for the people to use, or you can just leave it blank. That's up to you. And after that I'm going to just duplicate it, because we've changed the color to our theme as well. So I'm just going to simply duplicate it here and group all the elements and duplicate it. Would be easier for you. So I'm just going to duplicate it here, and so you see we are making a schedule right now here. And now after that we're going to head towards our heading. In the heading we're going to add in the daily planner. I'm going to choose the font. My favorite one is because we're making a minimal one, so I'm going to choose the minimal writing here. So I added a minimal one. Then I'm going to add in the subheadings for each section, for each notes that we have placed. So first is daily schedule. Okay, I'm going to just decrease its font, and just change the font as well, because I want a simpler one right now here. So that's the daily schedule. That is going to be the reminder, and then we have to add in for the to-do list here, and then you can add in for the notes section here. Added in the notes. I changed the note section because I was not comfortable with that one, so I think that this looks pretty good more. And I'm going to add the notes heading here, and I'm going to just adjust the size and see if it's all going perfect, and just editing the timings here. Okay, after that you can change the color of the background as well, and add in some decorative elements as well. So now let's add in the decorative elements. Okay, I'm going to add in some flowers. Okay, and let's see, first I changed the background color, and I'm going to add in the flowers after this, and I think this one looks good. Then I am looking for the watercolor flowers. They look pretty good with this minimal theme. So I added in a contrasting flower here. Okay, it. I'm going to layer it back, okay, and make it a bit transparent. And then I'm going to add in one more here. Just flip it a bit and just adjust it. You can make your any kind of flowers arrangement you like. I like it a bit minimal, okay, and a bit aesthetic pleasing. Okay, and now I'm going to save it. You can save it in two formats, PDF and PNG both. You can send it in both. PNG, you're going to use it for the markup. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.